face. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Odd video. I'm sitting in the front room right now. Last time we did the part 2 video to the M4. I don't know why, but my camera was not recording. So anyway, it missed. So basically all the walking around the car I did to show you guys all the modifications that it had, it got lost. Anyway, I'm gonna run through the list of what the car's got, and then, well, once I'm done talking here, it'll cut to the part of the video from the other day where I was filming and where it continues. So anyway, let's go. List of the car parts. So at the front of the M4 we have got the M Performance front splitter. So in the front bumper you've got the splitter, the one that goes completely across. We've got that, and it's also got the carbon inserts in either side. Now I'll insert a picture, by the way, if I can. Next part, side, it has got the side skirts. So it's got the M Performance side skirts, but not the ones that are quite thick and say M Performance, it's the thin ones. Once again, I'll add the picture if I can and show you guys. Or you might, if you look in the video for the parts that I can describe and that I've shown you in the video, check it out there if you can see it. Good, good, good. To the rear, we have got the M Performance rear diffuser, or just the carbon rear diffuser, that's all. It's not the one that goes right across to the edges, it's the one that just, it's literally like the housing of the exhaust, just around the exhaust anyway, it sits there. It's quite nice, subtle, got a couple like the venti looking things, looks a race car-ish, so it's nice. What's next? Above, where should we go? Actually no, we'll go to the rear, stay at the rear. Okay, so we've got the diffuser, we've got the carbon boot lid. So just on the boot lid, it's got like a really nice carbon lip on it, which is, well, the weave looks really good actually. Once again, I'll try and show you guys a picture. If not, hopefully you guys can see it in the video. Anyway, that's the boot lip. It's also got the carbon mirror caps, which is a nice touch to the car. I mean, think about it, you've got the roof that's in carbon, the boot lid, the split at the front, the rear diffuser. Yeah, it complements the car nicely, like all the carbon bits together. So yeah, mirror caps. Once again, I actually do have a picture showing the mirror caps, so you guys should be able to see it. Next one, I spoke about this in the video. It's probably actually where the video will start. It has spaces, I believe it's 15mm at the front, I mean at the rear, and 12 at the front or something like that. I cannot remember. And I think, are they HR springs? I think they're HR springs, or I-back, one of the two. Anyway, the car sits nice and it doesn't scrape over every hump, but it's still quite low. Interior, I'm going to include this in the video, which you'll see shortly. It has got red interior, which you guys have seen the extended one. Competition pack has got the vented seats, which is quite nice. Basically it's just got the holes in the seats, so whether you just want weight saving or if you want your passenger in the back to massage you, like, it's fine, whatever suits you. Go for it. Carbon parts inside as well. The center console, which you'll see in this video, I'm going to show you anyway, it has got carbon fiber, and it's actually mixed with that gloss black. So rather than everything just being carbon, it's got some bits that are gloss black, which is a nice touch. Anyway, to the performance, or the main part of the car, which you will know, it has got the Stage 3 Litco hybrid turbos. Yeah, different snells basically. They are good for 640 or 700 bhp, one of the two. Anyway, they're amazing. They're actually pretty loud turbos. You hear them spooling up a lot. Like, it sounds like a proper turbine from a jet. Like, you really can hear it. Anyway, that's that part. And then, like I said, it's got the full exhaust setup, which is the, so for the exhaust, let me get into it. It's got the 102mm tips. I believe you can get them from SSD Motorsport. They are black. Then to me, they are the best. Well, yeah, probably the best looking tips you can put on the M4. And then you've got the muffler at the back, which the first version of it was a PCW mod. This one is a stock muffler. And then we get the mid-pipe section, which had the secondary cat delete. And then it's got downpipes, which were part of the package, I believe, from the Litco turbos. So it's got a full exhaust system as well. What have I missed? I believe that's it. So yeah, guys, we're getting to the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Yeah, let's get into the video. Thank you. Alright, so people, I'm going to go through what it's got because I don't want to forget. So like I said to you, full exhaust, which we got around here, which I already showed you, plus the tips. We'll go into more detail in the next video about what setup it is exactly, so don't worry about that. Anyway, full exhaust. It's got spacers. So that's why the wheels come out, well, yeah, they come at the arches. And this car can be a pain to actually park. A lot of people don't know that. When you modify your car, it does kind of change the drivability, or should I say usability of the car. So if you're approaching curves or, sorry, not curves, curbs or width restrictions, you're able to push that more, so you're more likely to actually catch them and scratch it. So that's that. It's got springs, lowered. Sorry, the spacers are done, I think 12mm at the front and I think 15 at the rear, which is actually kind of nice. It's aggressive, but not too much that it's just sticking out ridiculously, which I do like that look when they stick a lot out, because it just looks quite aggressive, but that's sensible anyway for daily driving. What else? Springs, like I said, is lowered. Can't remember the millimeters, people. I will type it in, but yeah, I can't remember. What else? Carbon, went for the carbon. Told you guys about the side skirts, the rear. Right, like I was saying before, because we had to cut it. No, we didn't cut it. Anyway, stage 3 Litco turbo system hybrids. What are they? They're good for 640 brake or 700, one of the two. Can't remember. I put a 700 in a lot of the titles, so that's what we're going with anyway. So yeah, 700 brake, Litco turbos. It's had the downpipes done, which are loud. It's had the, I can't remember if it's got the mid pipes. I know we've got a secondary cat delete, and it's also, so it is straight pipes only for track use, and then when we're on the road, obviously we have to put everything back in. Yeah, sort of. And then it's got the muffler that's been done as well, with obviously the 102mm tips, I think. They're massive anyway, they're huge. You put your fist in that thing if you want. What else? Upgraded the tyres. If you've got an M4, get the PS4S's. They are the later version of the Michelins. Silly grippy, they're really, really good. A lot better than the ones that were on it before. Yeah, great tyres. I would advise you to get that. And you have to get, if you're gonna get the tyres brand new, it'll be fine. If you don't get them brand new, you'll get it from somewhere else. Make sure you get the tyres that are actually rated for BMW, because they've got tyres that are for M cars, AMGs, Porsches. Put it this way, if you put a Porsche one on your M car, it will shred them so fast. If you put the AMG one on your M car, it will shred them. They're all done specifically to the car. So yeah, make sure you guys get the one that's right for your car. Cut that, please. So yeah, people, yeah, the plate. We'll show you. It's going to be blurred out most likely. We'll see. Anyway, it had a sick plate on it before. Whichever of you guys saw this car in central London when we've done like the car cruises and the drives, you would have seen the plate that's on the car. It was a sick plate. It got so much attention. It's to do with money, but anyway, basically the plate had to come off. It got way too much police trouble. Yeah, that had to come off because I think it got what, 3 stops in 1 week, so that plate just had to come off the car. But I'm sure it will go back on in the near future. What else we got? Oh yeah, let's show them this. Cyclist. The cyclist rolled into the car at night and smashed this glass, and yeah, I'm sure they did this too. So the glass is done, which looks good. Yeah, this has to be redone. So yeah, the cyclist did that. So I don't really like cyclists. I don't mind if you ride sensibly. When you guys act like you own the road and ride stupidly, you're putting yourself at risk and others, so don't ride stupid, please, people. Anyway, let's start up. Come on, let's talk. Let's do this. Oh, where's the key? Where's the key? As long as the key's on me, it's fine, guys, anyway. Right. Ignition. Oop, oop, copyright. Right. Start the car. So yeah, that is it in loud mode. Quiet mode. Little rev. We've got a lot of neighbours here. Loud mode. Yeah, it is mega aggressive. Scaring the dog. I'm so sorry. Yeah, that's bad. Anyway, I cannot rev it too much here because it's residential. So I'll probably call the police because it's loud. Right, let's go for driving this one. I'll show you guys what it's like. Stand up! Can't lie, M cars are life. I love these things. Right, seatbelts first, yeah? Safety. Oh yeah, that's another thing, guys. Look at that, M colours. Don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it looks good. You got the blue, more blue, and red. Right, anyway, so let's go. Quick drive, quick spin. And I might just put the windows down so you guys can actually hear it a bit. Let's not get that screwed in because of the copyright. Let's roll. Oh, I've got to be so careful in here in case there's nails or crap on the floor. So even right now, people, the valves are actually closed and it's not even like loud, it's not obnoxious, it's actually quite nice. It's civilized anyway if you want to be like that for daily driving. Alright, so I'll do a little bit of it in this mode, in the quieter mode. No one crossing? No. Alright, let's smash the boost. No, I'm joking. But anyway, guys, yeah, quiet modes. You can't really hear too much. It's nice. But you guys don't want to see that, so we're gonna put it into M1. Pop, pure popcorn. Bit of boost. This car is obnoxious. Downshift. Anyway, I'm not gonna drive it hard like properly until the car's fully warmed up. But just give you guys a little taste. I don't even think you can hear me. A little taste of what the car's like, but it's loud. Bless you. Guys, it's loud. It sounds so good. And the thing is, even trying to make M4 sound good, like me personally, I like the noise anyway. R8 again. We should race. We should certainly race. Yeah, max it down, obviously. Yeah, to make M4 sound good, you got to be careful about what exhaust you put on the car, because if you put the wrong combination on, you just get a whole bunch of noise, and the tone isn't that great. Like at stock, they're not bad at all, but they can scream way more. Like they seem a bit too muffled. This setup here is probably like the perfect setup we've even got for this car that you can put on an M4. Opinionated anyway, one of the best setups for the price range it's in. Downshift. Should we give him popcorn? A little bit of popcorn. That's butter kiss right there. Oh, clearly disturbed the peace. Let's put it in quiet modes. So yes, people, that is a little drive of the M4. Like I said, nothing major. Both these videos are updates because I've had messages from people saying where have I disappeared to, why have we been hiding, and where's the content. So I'm aiming to give you guys a lot more content, more consistently. I do want to give you guys content way more consistently, so we're going to try and do that with both the cars. Got quite a few videos to film with this car, so we should get a good amount of content out of it, plus the Mini. But the Mini needs mods, and I don't think you guys will find it quite as interesting as this car anyway until it's been modified. So yeah, guys, that was the drive. So yeah, thank you for watching that. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel for more content. The next video, trust me, you're gonna watch it. If you're into the sound and you want to know more about the exhaust and the specific setup of this car, how we got the tone like this, whatever else, all the details, watch the next one 100%. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.